So
Yes.
initial points are how much?
3 lakh
3,50,000
5,000.
rupees. Final price is what right now at the current price is 3,70,000. So difference is of
Yes.
to 20,000.
Yes.
So 20,000 is the increase amount.
Yes.
Are you getting? So increase
Yes.
is equal to 20,000 rupees. So what will be the percentage of increase percentage will be the loss, sorry, profit percentage. So 20,000
Yes.
upon CP is 3,50,000 multiplied by 100. These two zeros got cancelled with this two, and another two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. The 200 divided by
35.
35. So the answer will be 40 upon 7. But 40 upon 7 is improper fraction. So it is converted to 5 integer 5 upon 7 percentage. So this is our answer. Is that clear?
Yes.
35 upon 7. 5 sevens are 35, 5 fours are 20. So 5 40s are 200. This 5 sevens are 35, 5 40s are 200.
Yes.
Is that clear? Now if you divide
Yes.
like this, 40 divide by 7.
7.
So 7 fives are 35.
45. 35.
5 will be the remainder. So 5 integer 5 upon 7. 5 integer 5 upon 7 is the percentage. Is that clear?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this question number 4?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hello, question number 5.
Question number 4, no, sir. 16 for
Question number 5. Please read this question.
Question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it?
Very easy question. 10,000 rupees no TV lidu. Are you getting?
Yes.
10,000 નું તો કેવી લીધું 20% profit માં વેચ્યું. So 20% of 10,000.
Yes.
આપણો sum આવી ગયો કે નહીં?
Yes.
Whatever amount we will be having, for example, 20% of 10,000 is 2,000 rupees. Okay.
Yes.
So this 2,000 and 10,000 total, how much money I will get? 12,000 rupees. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let us clear this answer in the answer column. Cost price is what? 10,000 rupees. Profit is, we know that 20% of 10,000.
Yes.
Now 20 upon 100 multiplied by 10,000. So we got profit as 2,000 rupees. 20%
Yes.
means what? 20 upon 100 of
Yes.
10,000 will be multiplied by 10,000 like this. These two zeros got cancelled with these two zeros. 20 multiplied by 100, 2,000 rupees.
Yes.
Now, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. SP is equal to CP plus profit. So CP was how much? 10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees.
Profit how much? 20% we got as 2,000 rupees. So actual selling price, how much money do I get it? The actual money I will get is 12,000 rupees. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
See, 10,000 plus 2,000, 12,000 rupees. Any doubt with this
Yes.
sum?
No.
Question number 6. Very interesting question. આ તમને આવડ્યો એટલે આખો ચેપ્ટર આવડી ગયો. ચલો. Chalo, who will read this?
Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the margin. What was the price at which she bought it?
આ શું બોલી આને શું કહેવાય આ વર્ડને શું કીધું તું યાર
Margin.
બાર્ગેન એટલે બાર્ગેનિંગ કરવું ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તું શોપકીપર પાસે કઈ પરચેસ કરવા ગઈ and shopkeeper told you some amount and you told નાના ભાઈ આટલા કાંઈ હોય આટલા લઈ લ્યો આ આટલામાં થઈ જ જાય આ આવે જ છે બધા મળે જ છે so that discount what you are getting from the shopkeeper is on the basis of bargaining કે ભાઈ એ તને 100 રૂપીસ કીધા તું એ ત્યાંથી વસ્તુ 70 રૂપીસ માં લીધી are you getting so 30 rupees to a bargaining કરાયું bargaining ના કટ કરાવી નાખ્યા 30 rupees to a કઢાવી નાખ્યા એમાંથી અને તું એ પે કેટલા કર્યા 70 rupees are you getting my point what is bargain તમે રેગ્યુલર કરો જ છો everyone is doing this આ કોઈ નવો વર્ડ નથી બાર્ગેનિંગ કરાવવું એટલે જે કોઈ અમાઉન્ટ હોય એમાં જે કાંઈ ફાયદો બેનિફિટ મળતો હોય એ પ્રમાણનું ઓછું કરાવવું are you getting Are you all understanding the content?
Yes. Yes.
So Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. So selling price is equal to rupees 13,500. Can we say that selling price is rupees 13,500? And loss, she made a loss for 20%. Loss percent we have. Loss percent is 20% what we have. Let me clear you. Okay? What was the price at what she bought? We don't know the buying price. What we don't know?
Buying price.
હવે સમજવા જેવી વસ્તુ છે લેટ મી ક્લિયર યુ સમજવા જેવી એ વસ્તુ છે કે 20% લોસ જે છે આપણે એ કોની ઉપર કેલ્ક્યુલેટ થાય 13,500 ઉપર ન થાય કોઈ દિવસ because 13,500 is the actual selling price what we got as an amount are you getting and
Yes.
આમાં ઓલો સમ પણ ન થાય 20% of it is that amount also we don't have even of it is amount also we don't have are you getting 20% ની amount નથી ને of it is actual amount પણ નથી this 13,500 is the actual selling price not the 20% of something are you getting so we cannot calculate like this also. We cannot calculate 13,500 na 20%. We cannot calculate like this also. All the sectors are wrong. What is the question? Question is actually based on the selling price what we have, the loss percentage what we have. We don't know loss amount. If we know the amount, we can easily get the actual price. Are you getting? But we don't know the amount also. What is 20% amount? We don't know the buying price. We only have a selling price. Is that clear? So let's suppose our first step. Let's suppose the buying price. Sorry, can we write a cost price? Cost price be X. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
તો આપણે લોસ કેટલો મળશે therefore the loss what we will get will be loss is equal to 20% of X 20% X ના આપણો લોસ છે. X we
Yes.
don't know. 20% X ના આપણો લોસ છે. ઈ લોસ સેલિંગ પ્રાઇસ આપણે કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ માંથી માઇનસ થાય છે ત્યારે આપણે સેલિંગ પ્રાઇસ મળે છે. Is that clear? Now loss is equal to 20% of X. So can I say that selling price is equal to, or can I say that CP minus loss? CP at buying price minus loss. I will write in that only. Sorry. Cost price minus loss is equal to selling price. Now cost price is what? What we got as a cost price? We have supposed as X. Yes or no?
Yes.
And loss આપણે શું છે? 20% of X. Am I right?
Yes.
Is equal to selling price શું છે આપણી પાસે? 13,500 rupees. Do you have any doubt up till this statement what we did here?
No.
Cost price we have supposed as X. So in the place of cost price we took X. Loss we got 20% of X. So in the place of loss we, our formula na place ma exactly the things what we have to take, we have placed that. X cost price ni jagya X lidu, loss ni jagya 20% of X is equal to 13,500 rupees. Yes or no? Now what will be our next step? Next steps will be is equal to X minus 20% means 20 upon 100 multiply by X is equal to 13,500 rupees. Any doubt over here? 20% of X means what? 20 upon 100 multiply by X. Girls, આપણે sums કરતા હતા યાદ છે તમને કે નથી?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
5% of 12,000 આપણે યાદ છે તમને આ કરાયું હતું? So 5% of 12,000, so 5 will be upon 100 multiply by 12,000. 0 got cancelled. 5 120s are 600. Are you getting my point? So 600 is the 5% of this 12,000. But if then 5%, we studied this also. 5% of it is 600. We don't know the actual amount. So આનામાં question mark મૂકતા હતા આપણે? Yes or no?
Yes.
આપણે આ રીતે ફાઇન્ડ આ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ એ ફાઇન્ડ કરતા હતા. એક્સપ્લેનેશન વખતે ઘણું સમજાવેલું છે. Now I am not here to waste my time anymore. This I already explained you 100 times. And now what is the thing? 5% of it is 600. So 5% of it is 600 means what? We don't know the actual amount. So by getting X over here, let's suppose X, so it will be multiplied by X is equal to 600. Now finding X at a side, 600 will be multiplied by 100 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. So 600 multiplied by 20, the value will be 12,000. So 5% of 12,000 is 600. આપણે already કરી ચૂકેલા છે, right? So in the place of X, we took X. In the place of loss, we took 20% of X. 20% of X. Now 20% of X is what? 5% of 12,000 was what? 5 upon 100 multiplied by 12,000. So 20% of X will be 20 upon 100 multiplied by X. Is that all clear? So next step will
Yes.
be is equal to X as it is minus 20X upon 100. This 20 into X will be 20X upon 100. Then is equal to 13,500 rupees as it is. Got it? Now taking LCM. LCM of what? The fraction form ભણેલા જ છીએ, યાદ છે તમને? Sorry. We already studied this. X minus 20X upon 100. Now if we want to subtract these two fractions, can I say that X ની નીચે 1 હશે જ? Yes or no?
Yes.
આપણે આવી રીતનું કરતા યાદ છે તમને? -7 upon 9. Now subtract 5 from 7 upon 9. So we were supposed to have minus plus ક્યારે થાય? When we have a like fractions. Compare fraction form ક્યારે compare થાય? When we have a like fraction. So 5 ની નીચે 1 હશે. Now after getting this LCM, this has to be multiplied by 9. કેમ કે 9 LCM આવતો હશે. This has to be multiplied by 1. Are you getting? So 5 nines are 45 upon 9 minus 7 upon 9. Now 9 got as a like fraction. Now can we subtract these two easily? In the same case, we are taking this LCM. This is not to be done anymore right here. આપણે આ હવે ખાલી ઘડી explain નહીં કરી શકીએ કેમ કે this was the topic related to 6th standard what you already studied. So by getting LCM, LCM will be 100. So we have to recollect 100 on both the side. X upon 1. 1 has to be multiplied with 100 to get 100 here in the denominator. So this also will be multiplied by 100. So 100x will be the answer over here. Then 20x upon 100. So 100 and 100 સુધી લઈ જાઓ, multiply by x. In this also multiply by 1. Sorry. So 20x will be as it is upon 100. 100 will be as it is. Now do we got both the like fractions? 100x upon 100
Yes.
minus 20x upon 100. Yes or no? Now 100 has common LCM. Can we subtract this now? 100x minus 20x. So we will get 80x upon 100. Yes or no? 100 minus 20 is what? 80. X as it is. 100 as an LCM. So in the same way, we have to place over here. Same thing. We have to place here is equal to 100x minus 20x upon LCM common is 100 is equal to 13,500 rupees. Got it? Any doubt with this step? In the same case, is equal to 100 minus 20 is 80x upon 100 is equal to 13,500 rupees as it is. Now, sorry, x at a side, leaving x at a side is equal to, x will be at a side, is equal to 13,500 rupees as it is, multiply by 100 is in division form, so it will go in numerator, and 80 is in multiplication form, it will go in the denominator. Anybody has any doubt here? 0, 0 got cancelled. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. Wait. 2 6s are 12. 1 year 2 7s are 14. And 1 year 2 5s are 10 again. And 0 as it is. Again, 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Again, 2 3s are 6. 1 year 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. Now you multiply 3,375 multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 up. 5 7s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 37. 7 year 3 up. 5 3s are 15. 18. 1 up. So what is the total we got? The total we get is equal to 16,875 rupees as an cost price. What we got? What is the cost price we got? 16,875 rupees. Is that clear, girls? 16,875 rupees, not 20% kato, and then subtract it, you will get selling price as your 13,500. What is the buying price we got? We got 16,875 rupees. Is that clear? समझ पड़ी? थोड़ो ट्विस्ट, थोड़ो टिपिकल सम. Anybody has any doubt with this? Girls?
Yes, sir.
जवाब तो आपो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again I am repeating. Jui sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. This 13,500 is our selling price. Okay? Second thing, loss. She made a loss while bargaining of, she made a loss of 20%. We have the loss. We know that it is a loss, and we know in percentage. We don't know the amount of loss. Okay? Amount નથી ખબર, એટલે આપણે આ sum easily થાય નહીં, because 20% of loss, if it is it has to be calculated on buying price. Are you,
Sir, your voice is cutting. Sir, your voice is cutting. Hello, hello. Sir, your voice is cutting, breaking somewhere. Huh?
Buying price will be question mark. Now let's suppose cost price. That means buying price be X. Girls, are you getting my voice?
Sir, cut થાય.
Is my voice clear now?
Yes.
સર અવાજ કટ થાય છે.
Ma'am, is the voice clear now,
Now it
ma'am?
is clear. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
હા
Yes,
yes
yes,
Is it
yes.
clear now, ma'am?
clear now yes okay.
Okay. So buying price will be question mark. We don't know what is buying price. Now let's suppose cost price. Cost price means buying price. Yes. Cost price be X. Now we know that X. Now loss is what? On what basis loss is calculated? Loss is always calculated 20% on the actual price. Are you getting? So 20% of X will be the actual price. Am I correct? Do you have any doubt with this step?
No.
Now we got our cost price as X, we got our loss as 20% of X. So cost price minus loss, we got our selling price, and selling price amount, we do have it with us. So what we have to do, in the place of cost price, we placed as X. In the place of loss, we placed our 20% of X. In the place of selling price, we placed the amount what we got in the question. Then what we did, we took X minus 20 percentage has to be converted into value, 20 upon 100 multiplied by X. Am I correct? Is equal to 13,500. Now X minus 20 into X will be 20X upon 100 is equal to 13,500 as it is. Now કોઈ પણ fraction ને આપણે compare kariye which one is greater, which one is smaller. If we want to add, if we want to subtract, we should know the fraction, whether it is a like fractions or not, as I said in this fraction. So like fraction check, unlike fraction check. Can we subtract 5 minus 7 directly upon 9? No. Any digit, any value in the fraction has denominator. If there is nothing, it is automatically 1 in denominator. So now can we have a fraction here? 5 upon 1 minus 7 upon 9. So now take LCM of denominator and make the like fraction. So we did the same over here. Denominator ma 1 લઈ લીધું, taking LCM. LCM as 100. So this X will be multiplied by 100. So it will be 100X and minus 20X as it is equal to 13,500 rupees. So now 100X minus 20X is 80X upon 100 is equal to 13,500 rupees. Now last step, we have to find the value of X. Okay. So X ne alag karo, 13,500 rupees as it is, multiply by this 80 upon 100. See, in other words, we can say koi pan fraction 80 upon 100 is equal to, this has to be go through to the next side or from here towards this side. If anything has to be shifted, it will be reciprocal. This 100 go towards numerator and this 80 will be in the denominator. Are you getting? Is equal to ની એક side થી બીજી side લઈ જવું હોય, that means in other words we can say this 100 will be in the numerator and this 80 will be in the denominator. Or in other words we can say this is in division form, so it will go towards multiplication form, and this was with X in multiplication form, so this will come to the division form. Is that clear? Are you getting my point? So X at a side, 13,500 rupees multiplied by this 100 went to multiplication form. This 80 went through to division form. Or we can say 80 upon 100 nu reciprocal શું થાય? 100 upon 80. Reciprocal of 80 upon 100 will be 100 upon 80. So we took 100 upon 80 over here. Both જેમ તમને સમજાય એ રીતે યાદ રાખવાનું. Is it clear? Are you cleared up till here, girls?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So now cutting the things. I already cut here 13,500 multiplied by 100 upon 80. We know this 0 got cancelled with this 0. 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is here, 2 4s are 8. Again, I'm showing you the calculation. Now, is this whole number will get cancelled by 2? Yes, because the unit place is 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 હોય તો આખો number 2 સાથે divide થાય, right? Unit place માં. So 2 2s are 4. Over here 2 6s are 12. 1 will be remaining here. So 2 7s are 14. Again 1 will be remaining. 2 5s are 10 and 0 as it is. Again 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6. 1 remain here. 2 7s are 14. 1 remain here. 2 5s are 10. So now 3,375 multiplied by 5. We will get 16,875 as our buying price. Therefore, C bought for rupees 16,875. Any doubt with this sum? Bolo. Sure, bachcha party?
Yes.
આગળના સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ્સમાં આવા જ સમ્સ આવશે. લેટ મી ક્લિયર યુ. ભલે આ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં એક જ સમ છે, બટ ઇન યોર ફ્યુચર લાઈફ this kind of a typical sums કે એક વસ્તુના બેઝ આપેલો હોય, એ બેઝ ઉપરથી આપણે વેલ્યુ એઝ અ વેરિયેબલ લઈને we have to find out the actual amount. Are you getting? Only that any trick, any જે એના જે બેઝ પોઈન્ટ વાળા સ્ટેપ છે એ જ યાદ રાખવાના છે. That means your calculations will be all over. Is that all clear? Anybody has any doubt with this sum, what I did on the board right here? Girls, જવાબ દેશો તો રસ્તો નીકળશે, નકર પછી હું લોગ આઉટ થાઉં છું અત્યારે.
Yes, sir.
ખાલી કઈ બેસી રહેવાથી ડમની જેમ આમ ભોંદુની જેમ બેઠી રહેવાથી કાઈ નહીં આવડે. Whether you got this or not, be frank, yes or no, so that I can understand કે છોકરીઓ ક્યાં છે અત્યારે.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only one girl understood?
Yes.
Okay, 2 girls. Then how many girls are present here? 9 girls, 8 girls are present here. Yeah, what about other 7? Sleeping in the class. Zainab Rupani, Sania Razani, Sakina Gabrani, Neelam Lakhani, then Fatima Owen, Aisha Ganyani. Who is this FK Khan?
Baloch Faiza.
Are you all getting this? Yes, Balot Faiza. Are you all getting these answers?
Yes, sir.
Have you got this sum?
Yes.
Very, very important. If you know this sum from this chapter, that means your whole chapter is cleared. Because baki badu to sidhu calculation che. Like this only, if you just learn how to sort out this kind of a sum, that means your future is bright to calculate this percentage criteria. Is that all clear, girls?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, from question number 7, we are going to continue from our next lecture, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, your homework, thoroughly your homework, this particular single sum 3 times in your rough book, and everyone will send this homework compulsory to Ruby ma'am. Are you all sending this homework to Ruby ma'am regularly?
Sir, very few. 1 or 2 girls are sending. Not all of them.
Ma'am, this homework you take into grant and please text me up personally. I will just put an internal mark on the basis of the homework. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, girls. So your
Yeah,
homework
welcome.
is this particular single sum 3 times in your rough book, and whatever sums in total we did, that has to be completed compulsory in your fair book. Is that clear, girls?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, chalo. Do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your day ahead. Have a nice time, girls. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.
Hi, sir. And have a nice day.
Girls, girls, are you there? 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, please be serious about your work. And I want one of your anybody to write the homework in the lockdown group so that everybody knows what to do. And if you have taken the screenshot, please put it in the lockdown group and write that it is compulsory to write 3 times and complete the fair books. Okay, and report to Ruby ma'am today itself. Is that clear? Who's going to do it? Yes, beta, who's going to do it? Aisha, Baloch Faiza, Zainab, or Sakina? Who's going to tell me? Who's going to do it? Who's taking the responsibility, beta? Sakina, Gabrani, are you listening?
Yes.
Please, with responsibility, put this homework immediately. If you have taken the screenshots, please put it in the group and tell everybody to complete the work. Mohammed sir is going to take the follow up. Okay? Will you do it, Sakina? Yes or no? Better answer me. Gabrani Sakina. Sakina, I'm talking to you, beta. Sakina,
मैम मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट्स नहीं लिए इसलिए
who has taken the screenshots? Who has taken the screenshot?